back after the break. आप देख रहे हैं आज पाकिस्तान और हम बात करेंगे something that women love, convenience of course जी, और खास तौर पर अगर किचन में कोई ऐसा रिलायबल मददगार मिल जाए जो आपकी जिंदगी को आसान बना दे, चीजों को झटपट कर दे, तो what's better than that। हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं somebody who's just taken the realm of the operations। She is serving as the director of marketing at Mehran Spices, which is a family business, of course. हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं अमीरा गुल। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अमीरा, thank you so much for making time this morning.
My pleasure, thank you.
So अमीरा, I see a number of brands in the market. बहुत सारे लोग spice mixes भी offer कर रहे हैं, recipes भी offer कर रहे हैं, and I know कि मेहरान की एक अपनी legacy है, but what makes Mehran different from all the other ranges which are available in the market?
Like you said, सबसे पहले it's our legacy कि mashallah we're about to celebrate almost 50 years in this market. Ji, inshallah, within 4 years. It's also our product range, how wide it diversifies from straight spices to mixed recipes to rice, pickles, sauces, and so on. So I think it's the wide diversification that we bring to your home and to your families, and the quality that we offer, of course. Everything is untouched by human hands. Virtually, it's all made by machinery that we've gotten from Switzerland and Germany.
And do you source your spices from Pakistan only, or they come from all over?
Actually, so we import them as well, and they're also from Pakistan. It's actually a tricky business because you have to put together the best things without any MSG, artificial coloring, artificial flavoring, and still deliver the best product possible ultimately. So we do the best and acquire the best from all around the world, and to create these products that we finally deliver.
So what would you say about this new generation of people who are getting into cooking? यानी अगर हम अपने previous generations की बात करें, our mothers and grandmothers, of course, they weren't very fond of convenience. It was seen as a, it was taken pride in that they would do everything from scratch. But now the young women are looking for convenience, and they would rather get something like a spice mix or a recipe mix. Is that a real difference, and what are their preferences? What's your understanding of this audience?
I think that these are two very interesting topics because women are the future. And until we have a whole population, men and women have equality in the workforce, share responsibilities, until then we will be lacking behind. So the fact that we offer this convenience for women to continue a normal life, to pursue education, be a mother, be in a family business or in their own businesses, and also have this convenience. Mehran will take care of you, take care of your home, bring your household that quality, that taste that you rely on, जो आपके घर वालों को पसंद है, जो घर का खाना बन जाता है. And it's a reliable thing because we will never let you down.
And what about the tastes and choices? Are they evolving? Are they changing? What do the women and girls of today want? Are they looking for the traditional recipe mixes, or are they looking for innovation and they'd rather experiment and diversify? What's your take on that?
I think the fun thing is that the youth is actually very knowledgeable and wise now when it comes to whatever they're putting into their body and whatever they're eating. So that is why they really focus on our products, where it is just so naturally made. So it is actually the healthiest spices you can consume for yourselves. So the youth is so aware of this, that this is why we are so happy to kind of provide this for them, because they respect and they appreciate the brand of the trust.
So this new generation of customers is actually very aware. They do their research. They actually read labels, which is putting double the responsibility on manufacturers to make sure that the product is a quality product.
Exactly.
But when it comes to your organization, your brands, it's been accredited by a number of award companies, especially the government as well, of actually having what it claims to have in the box. How does that make you feel? And is that a responsibility to continue keeping that flag running high?
I am very proud, mashallah, that we are a brand that has been recognized by the FDCCI 37 times consecutively for Best Export. We've won Brand of the Year 4 times, Businessman of the Year award twice. We've won 2 Prime Minister medals and a presidential award. So if the government has given us this much recognition and authentication for our products, we are clearly Pakistan's chosen brand. And they know that we deliver to over 45 countries worldwide. And ab hum Pakistan ko laaye because we believe that Pakistan deserves that quality and deserves, Pakistanis should enjoy the best and the finest food, the traditional food that is made for them. that is served like worldwide everywhere as well.
I think that's one of the most interesting things about Mehran Spices. A lot of people start with the home base and then they eventually expand into exporting. What I really like about their story is it's the other way around. They actually were exporting to the world. It became a hallmark of excellence around the world, wherever the Pakistani diaspora was or wherever people would enjoy Pakistani cuisine. And on the other hand, then after setting that benchmark, they launched in Pakistan and they've taken the market by storm. So Amira, that's a very interesting case study to have. I'm sure all the business students out there would be very interested in it. But it was a pleasure to have you on the show.
My pleasure.
And 50 years, we'll definitely be talking more about that in the years.
We will see you in our 50th, inshallah.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Amira, for being here.
My pleasure.
लेते हैं जी एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, वापस आएंगे तो वो टॉपिक जिसका आप सबको बहुत इंतजार है, यानी प्राइवेटली अब आप अस्पताल में जाके जरूरी नहीं है कि आपकी उम्र 50 साल से ज्यादा हो. इफ यूर यंग, यूर हेल्दी एंड यू कैन अफोर्ड इट, यू कैन गेट द कोविड-19 की वैक्सीनेशन. लेकिन ये फैसला लेने से पहले जो जरूरी मालूमात आपके पास होनी चाहिए वो हम आपके लिए लेके आएंगे. आप सवाल भी पूछ सकते हैं, बट राइट आफ्टर दिस वेरी शॉर्ट ब्रेक.